Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're looking at how to perform a SWOT analysis. Thank you so much. Those who have subscribed to my channel, please continue subscribing and sharing my videos. I'm so grateful. It helps me and my channel to grow. And kindly check out my course, my full course of monitoring and evaluation on the Synthesis sites. I'm going to leave the link in the description. You can join my community where I'm going to be sharing my posts more about monitoring and evaluation. Yeah, it's a free community. Share with me in the comment section what content you want me to study more and share with you more, and reviews on my platform. Thank you. So as I introduced today, we're going to look at how to perform a SWOT analysis. We're going to look at what exactly is the SWOT analysis, definitions, and how to actually perform one. Yeah. So what is a SWOT analysis? Yeah, so a SWOT analysis is a planning tool used to understand the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats involved in a project or a business. Many businessmen use this tool to understand their business and as a strategic planning tool, and also organizations and projects use this tool as a program evaluation tool. Yeah, in brief, it's just SWOT is strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Yeah, so it's just a planning tool used to understand the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats involved in a project or business. Yeah, it's also a framework that is used for organizing and using data and information gained from a situation analysis from internal and external environment. So we're going to look at briefly each section in the SWOT analysis, what exactly is meant in you analyzing the strength. So the strength, these are characteristics of a business or a team that give it the competitive advantage over others in the industry. This can be aspects of an organization in terms of human competences, the process capabilities, their financial resources, their products and services, customer goodwill, and brand loyalty. It can be your strength. In this case, I can give an example of like maybe Coca-Cola. It has that brand loyalty and products and services that are known. So that's their strength. Yeah, so your company can also have a strength in its human capacities, in its process, their services. So you list that when you're performing your SWOT analysis and understanding these are my strengths and this is what I can build on. Yeah, it can be a well-known brand like you see these big brands on Nescafe, so that's their strength. They built that brand. Of Gucci, they built that brand. Lower production costs, superior management, marketing skills. All these you can list under your strengths and weaknesses, and you know that these are my strengths and I actually can build on this. So let's look at the weaknesses. Weaknesses are characteristics that place the firm or business at a disadvantage relative to others in the industry. These are factors which do not meet the standards they feel we should. Weaknesses are internal and you can actually control these weaknesses and they can be very minimized. They are also a place of like improvement that I can improve on these weaknesses. Some of the weaknesses can include limited financial resources, weak spending on R&D, narrow product line, a limited distribution for your business, higher production costs, old technology, weak markets, poor imaging, marketing skills, and poor employees. Yeah, these can be your weaknesses, but these are normally internal and you can actually improve on these weaknesses. Then let's look at the opportunities. These are chances to make greater profits in the environment, external attractive factors that present the reasons for the organization to exist and develop. So opportunities are actually conditions that can benefit a business to plan or execute its strategies to enable it become more profitable. In case you've listed out your opportunities, it's very pertinent for you to actually utilize these opportunities to grasp any businesses or expanding your business. When you list down that this is my opportunity, I can actually leverage it to expand my business. An opportunity can include a rapid market growth, a compliance in rival firms, changing customer needs or tastes, and an economic boom. So you as a business, if you analyze that, you understand that, you know that in this season is actually an economic boom, I can actually leverage this to sell my products more. That's an opportunity. Or I've understood that actually my customer needs and tastes have changed. I need to improve on this product or create a new product line. You can actually leverage on that opportunity and build the need to grow and scale your business. So I'm going to create a new product line that addresses this customer needs. Still a brief kalango here or advertisement. Please enroll for my full course. It has all that you need. You have access to my videos. You can have a one-on-one with me. You have access to the PDF files. Enroll for that course. I urge you to enroll. And I'm going to have a cohort at the end of towards December to launch this course. And those who are interested, you can reach out to me to enroll for this course, full short course in monitoring and evaluation. Then threats, these are external elements in the environment that could cause trouble for the business, external factors that are beyond the organization control. Threats are beyond your control, so you can't actually control them. This can place your organization mission or operation at risk. They're normally uncontrollable and can jeopardize your external environment or profitability of your organization. Threats, this can ably relate to your weaknesses, but for threats are uncontrollable, while weaknesses, you can actually control them and minimize them. Some of the threats can include foreign competitors, introduction of new substitute products, changing customer needs, so you have no control over that, but you can also find a way to monitor it and manage the threats to your business, organization, or project or program. So how to actually perform a SWOT analysis. In here, I've put a brief table that summarizes the SWOT analysis. I've explained what strengths are. So when you look at your strengths and weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, strengths are there for you to build on and take a competitive advantage, or they give you a competitive advantage. So normally, utilize your strength to build on them. Strengths and weaknesses, these are internal, so you can manage them internally. And opportunities and threats, these are external. You have no control over them, while strengths and weaknesses, you have control over them. So I highlighted that when you have jotted down your strength, some of the data sources you can use to understand your strengths and weaknesses are you can get feedback from your executives boards in terms of your leadership. Is it a strength or weaknesses? Employees, in terms of the capacities, do you have a strength in a good internal capacity, or is a weakness and it needs improvement? Customer base, you can get feedback from your customers. So these are data sources you have to look at when you're actually analyzing your strengths and weaknesses. Customers, also their feedback on the product. Is it a good product? Is it a good quality? Is it serving them their purpose? So you know what are the areas of improvement over what gives me a competitive advantage. If it's a project, you can look at your key performance indicators, the KPIs, that what are the KPIs that are giving me actually a competitive advantage, or where do I actually need to improve. So as I said, still strengths are there for you to build on because they give you a competitive advantage, and weaknesses are your areas of improvement. This can be people goals, so you can aim to have people goals, operational goals, and improve on those weaknesses. Yeah. So back to developing how you can perform and analyze your SWOT analysis on the opportunities and threats. As I said, these are external and you have no control over them. So threats, opportunities, these are your opportunities to actually grow and scale your businesses. I've given examples earlier on that an opportunity can be a market boom. It can be you can leverage that there is a low competition. Yeah, it can an economic boom. So you take advantage of that and grow, have your growth grows or scale your business when you analyzed and understand that these are the opportunities I have right now, and I can actually leverage on them and scale my businesses. Some of the external sources of data you can use to analyze and understand your opportunities and threats. You can look at the mega trends in your industry or your business. Yeah, what are the mega trends in maybe in my market can be in consultancy. How can I leverage on that to grow my consultancy? Or what are the major trends in if it's a product line in like drinks? Yeah, you leverage on that. This is what I have to actually monitor. In your industry, what are the major trends? Or how is your industry like? What are the threats in that industry? So you monitor your threats. Threats are there for you to monitor because you actually have no control over them. Then you can monitor also or leverage on your markets. Yeah, is there an opportunity for you to expand your market? Or how is the market standing right now? How can I monitor to see that my business is still running in this market? Who are the new competitors? These are something you don't have control over it. So these are your threats to monitor. Yeah, tip to note before I conclude my video, always do your SWOT analysis and use the SWOT. Normally we do it and we normally don't use it, but use it as a planning and strategic tool. Yeah, it will help you a lot in growing and scaling your business. I'm also using it, and I think I see improvements. Thank you very much. That's it today, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.